I've wanted to get one of these for so long. Oh my gosh, I get to be a real beauty vlogger now. Which already is a little bit disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. I'm so excited for this video. So we're going to be doing something very, very new and different. Now, I have tried a few subscription boxes, but they have all been food. And the reason why I've never tried any other kind of subscription box is because they're normally either all primarily just for the US, or they're just all purely beauty based, like makeup and stuff like that, which you know isn't my main priority in life. So as a full disclaimer, FabFitFun reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in doing an unboxing of their new summer subscription box. So I did my research, I watched a few other people's videos on them, read some blog posts, and not only do they include some beauty products, but they also include home, lifestyle, fitness, wellness products. And I was like, oh my gosh, yes. Today we are going to be unboxing their summer box, and full transparency, this video is sponsored by FabFitFun, but as always I'll be giving you my completely 100% honest opinion on what I think of this box. And the best thing about FabFitFun that I already love without even touching this box is that their priority is that anyone they work with is completely honest about their experience and opinions. Right, let's get it out of the big box because I want to see what this baby looks like. Who gave me a knife? Oh girl, oh she is heavy. She is so heavy. Oh my gosh, I've never had like a subscription box this big. Look how big it is, I'm so excited. All right, so this is the fabulous box. It's their summer one. As I said, they are quarterly, so they do them seasonally. Oh, I'm excited. So apparently you get £150 worth of products for less than £50 for the subscription box. So right off the bat, if I'm gonna be spending, or anyone's gonna be spending 50 quid, just under 50 quid per quarter on a box, I do wanna make sure I am getting a lot of value. Apparently they are all full-size products, which is what we like around here. So we're gonna stop talking because I wanna break into this, and then as we go, we'll discuss my thoughts, opinions, what I really think about what's in this box. I'm so excited. Do I need more knives? I don't know. Oh, ooh, girl. We have got a magazine. That is lovely. I don't want any spoilers. I hope there's not any spoilers. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. All right, we're just gonna pick one out. This one is screaming at me. Brazilian foreplay. I do know that a lot of products in this box are from female-founded companies, which is amazing. We are all about that. So this is the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Leaves skin super soft, irresistibly smooth, and always ready for play. I like what you did there. All right, let's smell it. Smell is everything. There's a seal on it. Oh, whoa, that's a smell. Very creamy. That smells really, really nice. Now, already what I'm seeing is that there is a lot more beauty products than I thought, but we're going to be holding on until we dig down deep into it. What is this? Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask, Coconut Milk and Verbena. And yes, this one is cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny certified. That's one thing I was just about to say about this, is that it is sulfate-free, but there's no sign on it that it's cruelty-free, and that is something that I do look for in the products I buy. It doesn't have too much of a crazy smell. Let's see what the texture's like. Oh, that's interesting. It's like really, well, it does say smooths and softens. You expect an exfoliating foot mask to like be a bit bitty, but it's not at all. I'm guessing maybe that's why, if it's naturally sourced ingredients, because those little bits that you find in beauty products aren't actually great for the environment, so I try and avoid them wherever possible. That does feel nice though. I know it's for your feet, but I'm putting it on my hands. I'm not sure whether you have to wash this off, but it's quite tacky now. I'm guessing you have to wash it off. Dry, wake up with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. Well, I'm very glad that I just put it on my hands then. What is this? 3 resistance bands. Oh my gosh! I've wanted to get one of these for so long because I work at my desk like a lot and I hunch. I think everyone naturally hunches. I don't have the best desk chair. I've always wanted to get one of these resistance bands to kind of strengthen my shoulders. Oh, yes. So one thing I did want to mention is that you are actually able to customize some of the items that you get in the box, or it can be a complete surprise. It's completely up to you, which I think is a really nice option, especially if you wanted to have a little bit of control and choice over what you're gonna get. It's burn light, burn heavy, burn medium. I think, you know, I think that's what we'll go for. Oh, every time I go for a massage or if I've been to a physio, they always say to get these bands. So you do get 3. You get the burn light, the burn heavy, and the burn medium. And I'm guessing that that is something to do with the resistance on how, whoa, this is going to be a workout. Oh, I'm so happy with these already. The only thing I need to do now is figure out how to use them, but I will definitely 100% be using them because my shoulders are no bueno. They are no bueno at the moment. Okay, so that's our first like fitness product, so I'm super happy with that. Let's do these. So these are the next item. It's an Invisibubble. Very interesting. The Traceless Hair Ring. Now, I have long, thick hair, so are these going to be any good for me? I see people with these all the time, and I want to see what the hype's all about. Get out, bun, get out, and go back in. All right, let's see, because they look super tiny. Oh, all right, they're a bit loose, but I do have a lot of hair, so maybe I could double up. Can I double up? Oh, wow, there's no tugging? Okay, I get why people use these now. All right, nice. That's very handy, because I never actually wanted to get these, because I thought they're gonna be no good for my hair, but I'll have to do the whole day test. But so far, so good. It's definitely a good thing, like with subscription boxes, even with the food ones I used to get, you do get to like discover new products that you'd never ever buy, and they can be a bit of a winner. So 10 out of 10 for those. So the next item, what do we have? Refining Micro Polish Soothes, Exfoliates, Plant Stem Cell Science. Okay. And this is cruelty-free as well. Yes, 10 out of 10. Apply to damp face and neck, massage gently to exfoliate. I've been using the same face wash for about 10 years. It's one of those that I've never wanted to try another one just in case. But now, I can. Oh wow, that smells amazing. That smells really nice. Feel the texture. Look at me now, I'm a beauty guru, Mom. Oh whoa, okay, this does have little bits in. Oh, that's really silky and soft, and realizing I don't have any tissue. Here she is. It's nice. We'll see how she reacts with my skin though. Still noticing, I think we've mainly only got now beauty products, which already is a little bit disappointing, I'm not gonna lie, only because I didn't customize this box, so I didn't know what I was getting. And if I did, I'd definitely go for more of a mix between beauty and more lifestyle-y home stuff, because that's the reason I was drawn to this box, and it seems to be the only thing I got which wasn't beauty related was the fitness bands, which I'm really happy about. But let's keep going. Ooh, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Are you the same as this? Oh, you're the same brand as this. Excellent. It's a very nice little packaging. Very cute. Very cute. See, I never buy products. I know, shock horror. Look, it has little... I've seen all the beauty gurus do this. Oh, just pop it off. Oh, wow. Oh, that smells so good. Let's pop a little bit on there. Pop you back. Don't make a mess, Ali. Don't make a mess. It's nice, fancy stuff we got here. Is it fast drying, fast absorbing? It is actually, you know. It is. They weren't lying. Bloomin' is. Oh, wow. Oh, okay, that's nice. That's nice, that's nice, that's nice. I really like this. Oh, that is so nice. 75 mils as well, so I can take it on the plane with me. Oh. Oh, that's really, really nice. Oh, I'm gonna show you one more time because that is lush. That is so nice. It's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Oh my, we have makeup. Now, as you know, I'm not a real big makeup wearer. All I do is a little bit of clear brow gel to keep them controlled, and mascara. That's all I ever wear. But I used to wear a lot of eyeliner. Back in my goth days, we will not be throwing up a photo. So this is by Ico, London. Alexa for eyes.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Okay, so this is the packaging, and this is what it looks like out of it. This is not going to be the best review in the world. Only because I don't know what's good with things like this. Let's have a look. Ooh. So I suppose we just put it on the hand, yes? Ooh, whoa. Is that good? That looks very nice. Hold on, I'll do it like they do it. Look at that. Ooh, that's a lot of product. So I'll be very interested in trying this. I will use it, I will try it, 100%. Are you just gonna be like really... Whoa, that dried really quickly. Whoa, much about makeup, but I'm presuming that that is a good thing. Oh my gosh, I get to be a real beauty vlogger now. I have face spray, one of those things that they spritz all over themselves, like really dramatically. We need to do this. Okay, calm down. It's by Grace and Stella, spray all day, rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray. Oh, has it got rose water in? Interesting. Oh, girl. So that's the box. Oh, I get to do the beauty vlogger thing now. Get out, get out, get out, I must be beautiful. Really like the minimalist style we got going on here. Okay, so let's give her a little spritz, shall we? Oh, they do it like this, don't they, first? Get out. Okay, darling, I'm ready. That's how you do it, right? I mean, it smells nice. I want to see what it feels like, though. That's quite nice. I mean, it's definitely hydrated my skin a little bit, but I'm kind of not getting the hype of the sprays because it wasn't that pleasant to do on my face. Yeah, every beauty vlogger seems like it's like, you know, like they're having a real good time when they do it. It's okay. I don't think I would honestly use this. But then again, at least I got to experience it. Okay, 2 more items left. Let's whiz through. Okay, so we have a brightening purple clay mask. And is this cruelty free? Yes, it is. This is cruelty free as well. It's, what company is this? Generation Clay. Okay, so that's the bottle. Not a crazy strong smell, which I sometimes kind of like. Apparently it's got Davidson plum in it. Okay, let's have a little look-see. Whoa, she thick. 3 C's. I kind of like that it doesn't have a crazy smell. I might use that tonight, actually. That might be quite nice. Wah! Yes! So this is the last item, and these are face masks. Rose Gold Bright. Ali jumping in here from the future because she realized as she was editing this video that it kind of cut out before I thought it cut out because my camera overheated. And by the way, now we can give you these bubbles. Oh girl, yes. Cut out right as I was showing you the last item, which are these. So they're 111 Skin, and these are Rose Gold Brightening facial masks. And what I didn't realize is at the time, I did put one of these on, and you will have footage of that. Very nice, very cooling. These have 24 karat gold in them, okay? So they come in this box, you get 5 of them, but I already used one. These retail for 5 of them, $160. So there you go. And you know what the funny thing is when my camera overheated and I put one on, didn't realize it cut off before I actually put it on my face. I waited like 10 minutes, she meant to put them on for like over 20, and I just like popped it in the bin, and when I came back and I was properly reading, I was like, whoa. So I kept looking in the bin then after, thinking, that's a lot of money in the bin right there. So yeah, anyway, cut to the footage afterwards. You're welcome. No, my camera died. Why? Right, we're jumping onto this one because my camera just decided to die, and I don't know where the camera, there you are. Look at this, look at that. Woo! Okay, I've seen people use these, I've never used one. Oh my God. It smells nice though. Ah, yes, let me get it again. Oh my, what's happening? Oh gosh, it's so slippery. This is so slippery. Oh, that's cold. That is cold. That is very, very cooling. I look great. 10 out of 10 already. I gotta leave this on for 20 minutes, so I'll give my camera time to sort its life out, and I will be back with some final thoughts. Excuse me. Say, that mask was actually really nice. Okay, time for a chat and my honest thoughts on the FabFitFun summer box. Now, when I was going through the little magazine they gave you, I would have put the price of what everything was worth. I did discover that these two, obviously from the same company, should have clicked in my head, are part of, like, they're kind of classed as one item together. It shows you what's in the box. Obviously you're not going to get everything, but a lot of the items that I saw in other people when they did their unboxing, it's just the reason I wanted to get this box was because there's some really cool items, especially for like the traveller, and I thought, I only got one fitness item, which it doesn't bother me for fitness, but I was hoping to get more lifestyle and home stuff, and it was all beauty. Like I said, you can customize these. I didn't, but I thought even if you didn't customize them, they'd have a nice mix and range from beauty to home to fitness to lifestyle and wellness. But in reality, it was mainly, maybe it's just the box I got, I don't know. But some of the other items you can get are like crazy cool, like this beach rug. I saw someone unbox one of these and I was like, oh, that beach towel is so nice. They do like travel hair dryers, this beach bag, these beautiful set of bowls, these silicone wine glasses, which I was like, oh my God, please let me get that. So if I'd have customized it, I probably could have got these items. So that is one thing to remember, that if you're getting this box and you want some of their really cool like home lifestyle stuff, then definitely 100% customize your box. Probably my favorite items from the box were the resistance bands, the hair bobbles, the face masks are really nice, but I don't know how often I'd use them, and I need to see how my skin reacts to it now. But so far so good. If I was going to come out in reaction, I have sometimes really sensitive skin. So far so good, and I normally would have gone blotchy by now. And also I really am looking forward to using the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, because that is just lush and I still feel like my skin is still really soft. So I really enjoy that. Again, I am disappointed that it wasn't more of a selection, but like I said, you can customize it. You do get a hell of a lot of value for less than £50. And also I need to say, if you are going to get this box, I do have a code and a link, because I think it is a top-notch box if you're into this kind of stuff, and if you customize your box, it's a great way to do it. I wish I customized my box a little bit, because as you know, beauty and stuff like that doesn't interest me as much. But do know that you are charged in US dollars. That's something I just wanted to let you know. You're charged in US dollars, and then your bank will convert it and might add transaction fees, just as a disclaimer. But I do believe I have a 20% code down below. I do like this box. I think you get a hell of a lot of value for money, which is what I'm always worried about when I see subscription boxes. Like, are you getting value for money? And even regardless of how much home and lifestyle stuff was or wasn't in this box, you definitely get bang for your buck. 110%. Really cannot complain on that standpoint. So there is a link down below. There is a coupon to get 20% off if you fancy it. Thank you FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it, because I've wanted to try things like this for a long time now, and this gave me a really good idea. And if I get one in the future, because this was my first box, my first impressions, if I get another one in the future, next time I would 100% customize it so I get more of the stuff that I want in the box. Let me know in the comments as well, have you ever had a FabFitFun subscription box? What did you think? Let me know your thoughts down below, and a massive thank you for FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. This was very interesting. I actually really enjoyed doing this kind of video. It was so different for me. So I'm going to love and leave, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.